I'd rather die enormous than live dormant. That's how we on it.
Only two things can get you through this, man. That's patience and persistence. We all have the same emotions. We all want to be successful. We all, want love. Have such a strong belief in yourself that you can quiet out all the outside noise. So you have to be strong enough and resilient to believe in whatever it is you're trying to do, right? You have to have some type of balance. You have time for work and it's time for play. And if you don't allow these two things to coexist, you have an imbalance. People look at you strange saying you changed, like you worked that hard to stay the same. Like you're doing all this for a reason. And what happens most of the time, people change. People change around you because they start treating you different because, you can't do the same things. You can't hang on the corner. You have a belief in yourself, and sometimes, in most cases, it's a naivete about who you are and what you can contribute to the game. Belief in oneself and knowing who you are, that's the foundation of everything great.